A very good morning to everyone present here. The goodwill message of the Chief BTC on National Press Day 2025. Dear esteemed media friends, on this National Press Day 2025, I extend my warmest greetings to the entire media fraternity of the BTC. While my commitments today prevent me from joining you in person to celebrate this significant occasion and hear from our distinguished keynote speakers, please be assured that I stand with you in spirit, recognizing and honoring the vital service you render to our region. The fourth pillar of democracy stands strong in BTC, all thanks to your unwavering commitment. Day after day, you bring stories of hope, highlight challenges, amplify unheard voices, and hold the systems accountable. Your reportage has been pivotal in illuminating the path of progress across our diverse region. In this rapidly evolving digital era, journalism faces unprecedented challenges, from combating misinformation to adapting to new technologies while maintaining ethical standards. The PDC recognizes these realities and remains firmly committed to supporting your professional growth and welfare. A robust, independent, and responsible press is not just an asset, it is essential to BTC's democratic progress and inclusive development. As we move forward, I envision a partnership where government and media work hand in hand, not in compromise of independence, but in shared commitment to truth, transparency, and the welfare of our people. Your pen, your voice, and your lens are instruments of change, and we are dedicated to ensuring that you have the support needed to wield them effectively. On this National Press Day 2025, I salute your courage and your tireless pursuit of truth. Thank you for being the conscience keepers of our society and the chroniclers of BTC's journey towards a brighter tomorrow. Thank you.
ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছো মাননীয় মনস্মিতা মহন্তলৈ তাৰ লগে লগে অশেষ ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছো আমাক সুন্দৰ আৰু প্ৰেৰণাদায়ক বাৰ্তা প্ৰেৰণ কৰাৰ বাবে বিটিসি মুখ্য কাৰ্যবাহী সদস্য মাননীয় শ্ৰীযুত হাগ্ৰামা মহিলাৰী মহোদয়লৈ তেখেত আজি আমাৰ লগত উপস্থিত থকাহেঁতেন আমাৰ আৰু ভাল লাগিলহেঁতেন কিন্তু তেখেত যিহেতু ব্যস্ত মানুহ তেখেত উপস্থিত থাকিব পৰা নাই কিন্তু তেখেতে আমাৰ কথা মনত ৰাখি আমালৈ এটি বাৰ্তা প্ৰেৰণ কৰিছে তাৰ বাবে অশেষ ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছো এইবাৰ আন এটি বাৰ্তা আমালৈ প্ৰেৰণ কৰিছে বিটিসিৰ সচিব প্ৰধান মাননীয় আকাশদ্বীপ IAS আৰু তেখেতৰ এই বাৰ্তা পাঠ কৰিবলৈ মই অনুৰোধ জনাইছো বাক্সা জিলা তথ্য আৰু জনসংযোগ বিভাগৰ দায়িত্বত থকা বিষয়া মাননীয়া জেছিকা পাড্ৰিক চেঠি
Good morning, everyone. Message from Principal Secretary BTC to the media persons of BTC on National Press Day 2025. On the occasion of National Press Day 2025, I extend my heartfelt greetings to all media persons in the Bololand territorial region. This day serves as a powerful reminder of the media's indispensable role in shaping public discourse, driving social transformation, and upholding the fundamental principles of democracy. In BTC, the media has been instrumental in informing our communities, spotlighting developmental priorities, and raising awareness on critical issues. The press continues to act as a vital bridge between the government and the people, ensuring transparency and accountability across our region. The theme of this year's National Press Day, Safeguarding Press Credibility Amidst Rising Misinformation, holds great relevance today as the media landscape evolves rapidly. Upholding credibility, accuracy, and ethical standards has become more crucial than ever. As I am currently stationed in Bihar on election duty, I regret not being able to convey my wishes to you in person. Nevertheless, my commitment to supporting the media fraternity remains unwavering. We recognize the challenges posed by digital transformation and the growing menace of misinformation, and we pledge to work with you to strengthen the foundations of responsible journalism in our region. The press is not merely a profession, it is a public trust. Your contributions remain vital to BTC progress and to the health of our democracy. I commend your unwavering dedication and service to the people of BTC. Akashdeep, IS Principal Secretary, Borderland Territorial Council, Kokrajhar. Thank you.
অশেষ ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছো বিটিচিৰ সচিব প্ৰধান মাননীয় আকাশদ্বীপ মহোদয়লৈ আৰু তাৰ লগে লগে ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছো তেখেতৰ বাৰ্তাটি পাঠ কৰি দিয়া বাবে জেচিকা পাডুৱেল চেত্ৰীলৈ এইবাৰ আমি আগবাঢ়িছো আমাৰ সন্মানীয় অতিথিৰ ভাষণ কাৰ্যসূচীলৈ আৰু আমাৰ সন্মানীয় অতিথিৰ আসনত আছে আমাৰ দূৰদৰ্শন অসমৰ IIS যুটীয়া সঞ্চালক হেড অফ RNU মাননীয় অংকুৰ লাখতি মহোদয় আৰু তেখেতক সন্মানীয় অতিথিৰ আসনৰ পৰা আজিৰ এই শুভ দিনটোত ভাষণ আগবঢ়াবলৈ মই অনুৰোধ জনাইছো
Thank you, madam, for introduction. Am I audible? आवाज आ रही है मेरी? So, senior journalists from all the media houses, the secretary DIPR, BTC area, the DIPR professionals and all the authorities, the senior journalists from the Assam Tribune, in fact the senior CEM and EMs are, although they are not present here, but the message that they have sent, and all the senior journalists from those who have come from all the 5 districts of Bodoland, a warm good afternoon to each one of you. Before I say anything, I like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the DIPR department and the organization, the Borderland Journalists Association and the Kokrajhar Press Club for inviting me here today on this auspicious day. Today, so I extend my heartfelt wishes to you all on National Press Day. So yesterday when I came, when I got this invite to come to Kokrajhar and for this day, हमें बहुत सारे invite और भी आए थे, but I was always very excited. This is my second visit to Kokrajhar, so I am always very excited to come to this area because ये वो area है जो कि it was not known for good reasons in history, be it unrest and violence, and now when you see the transformation, it has become a beacon of peace and prosperity. So जब भी मुझे मौका मिलता है यहाँ आने का, I never miss a chance. So I'm extremely grateful for extending the invitation to me. In fact, Honorable Prime Minister has time and again said in his Mann Ki Baat address that how this Kokrajhar city has become a city of peace now. And in fact, at every platform, all the senior ministers, they keep on reiterating the fact that how this area has transformed itself as an engine of growth, peace and prosperity. So today on this National Press Day, I sincerely feel that a lot of credit goes to all the media persons, those who are present here today. You have seen through your own eyes that how this transformation has happened. The last 30 years, 40 years, I think people have been reporting here for a very long time. So I say that a lot of credit goes to the media person. In fact, I would request everyone to please give a big round of applause to all our media persons, those who are present here today. It is only because of your efforts that we are seeing this historic change in this area. In fact, yesterday I would like to share a small story with you all. Although I'm not from Assam, but I'm posted in Assam for the last 3 years, and I've been to almost every nook and corner of Assam and all the northeastern states as well. So yesterday I came a little early, so I asked my district correspondent here, Preetham is here. So I told him, please show me around. I just wanted to see the city, what is it about. So we visited many places yesterday, and then we ended up at Bodoland University. So luckily there was an event going on yesterday where they had organized a fashion show because Janjati Gaurav Divas was there yesterday. So I just asked Preetham ki chalo hum 5 minute dekh lete fir hum chale jayenge. But then the fashion show started and it was all about the various tribes of Bodoland, the ethnicity, the culture, and the way they depicted that diversity. We were so amazed that we stayed almost for 1.5 hours there. And I was really amazed to see the diversity. I mean, I have attended many fashion shows in the past as well, but the confidence and that I saw in the eyes of the students of Bodoland, It actually amazed me, and it also assured me that this land is poised to grow. Nobody can stop Borderland from the path of growth and trajectory. So this is I was very happy yesterday, and today now we are talking about National Press Day. See, the role of media is very important. As you all are aware that we are the connect between the people and the organization, the government, the various legislature, executive, judiciary. We are also called as the fourth pillar of democracy. We all are aware. But you also have to understand one thing that I often see due to the technological changes, there are also certain challenges जो कि हम सभी face कर रहे हैं. For instance, पहले social media आया था, ठीक है, तो now we have become used to social media. But these days we are talking about artificial intelligence. We are reporting news that has not even happened. आई थिंक आप लोगों ने सभी ने देखा होगा कि फेक वीडियोस आ रहे हैं, डीप फेक वीडियोस आ रहे हैं, आजकल वॉइस भी कॉपी हो जा रहा है. So the challenge for journalists is very high these days. So my piece of advice would be that